if you are going to succeed on this platform, forget about what you know, but consider what your people want to know. So what kind of people are you, do you have as your followers? Are they are they religious people? So if they are religious people, then they need religious materials. If the people you have on your followers list are gaming people, then they need gaming materials. Even if you did not like gaming materials or you did not like religious materials, but your followers like religious materials, then you need to go and like or you leave this platform. But if you know you want to succeed on this platform, I want to tell you this. For now, as you're coming as a new content creator, forget about a niche. I mean, forget about saying, oh, I am a pastor, so I want to be shooting content on spirituality. Forget about that for now. Do you know why? It's not about you. It's about you, the you that is watching. Yes. Whatever I know does not matter. If you don't like what I know, it does not make any sense. Wow. So for that reason, what you need to do is ask yourself, what is the thing that my people will like? So you may not know the one that they will like or the one they will not like. So create videos randomly. Within your first 3 to 6 months of coming into content creation, my advice for you is this. This is a very crazy advice. Create content randomly. You can create content on sports, create content on spirituality, create content of marriages. If you watch my channel, that's what I've done. Create content of marriages, create content on content creation, create content on real estate, on different fields, on making money. Now, when you create these contents, just upload them 3 to 5, 3 to 5, 3 to 5. Now, while you're doing this, what you have to observe is which of my content fly most. Which one do they like most? So when you realize the one that people like most, you concentrate on that.
Oh, wow.
You concentrate on that. You might go and pick a niche now and say, I am a pastor or I am a realtor. And since I am a realtor, so I need to producing content on real estate. Now, this is a powerful niche on its own. But imagine that your followers are not people that are interested in that field. You upload and you go nowhere. It will just be you and your family that will be watching and few of your friends. And before you know, you say, this thing is not working for me. See, let me tell you, this thing is working for everyone that are doing it right. So in order for you to do it right, my advice for you now is create content, at least 3 to 5 clips, 3 to 5 clips on a specific field, on a specific niche. Upload them. Then see the one that you have more viewers. Go to your analytics and check the one that the viewers are high, they're interacting, they're gossiping, they're talking about it. Do it that way. Now, when you do it in that pattern, guess what is going to happen? People are going to come in and talk about it. They want to talk about it more. Focus on that. If you think that this content is valuable, kindly like, follow, and share. Subscribe if you haven't done so, because I'm coming up with more of it. I'm coming with more of it. Why don't you follow so they can learn more?